What's going on, all you droniacs out there? Just coming to you. Haven't talked to you for a while. We are right now at the base of the Oliver Bridge. Doesn't look like much, but this bridge is kind of different than a lot of bridges out there. So it's, first off, it goes across the St. Louis River. A lot of bridges do that. I don't know how many. Maybe there is, maybe there isn't. But anyway, this right there, those are not a road, that's a train track. So not only does it go over the river, the train track goes above it. And if you walk with me, don't have really much of a choice. I have been out to this direction, this way, a while ago. Maybe been a couple years. Was with an old drone. I'll put the link to that one, that flight, in the video here, so you can see that one. But anyway, as we're coming up to the St. Louis River, see that? That's the bridge way off in the distance there. You can see those headlights. Those are headlights going underneath the train tracks, and both of them are going over the river. So it's a double-decker bridge. The train tracks are above the roadway, and so you could have a chance to have a train pass overhead when you are driving. So anyway, and yeah, it gets really loud when that happens. A little four-wheeler action going on. A lot of people like to go fishing down there or just go for a little ride. But yeah, right there is just the train tracks. But I got some shots of the actual roadway too. So yeah, we're just kind of wrapping up here. Had to get the drone out quick and up in the air. And like I said, the sun was going down. Oh, this guy might want to talk to me. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Yeah, so he just was curious about the drone and stuff, said he had a drone, talked about some flights he did, whatever. It's always good to talk to fellow dronies, see what's going on. I don't know, is that a term? Dronies? Whatever, I'm stamping it right now. It's a term. Anyway, so yep, just wrap things up like I was saying. Had to get the drone up fast because the sun was going down. In fact, it's pretty much down right now. A little bit of color over there across over the hill. And once I did get the drone up, I saw that there was a train coming. So wanted to get all of that on camera. So I contacted you before the flight. So here I am talking after. So anyway, just throwing this out there, trying to grow that YouTube page. And so if you could do what all us YouTubers like for you to do, click on that subscribe button if you haven't already, hit this like button, and you know what, drop me a comment. Just tell me where you're from. Give me a little hi, tell me how you like these videos, a little greeting, see what's going on. Excuse me. Anyway, that's all for now. I hope you all have a great day, and remember out there to always drone on.